Imagine working in one of the cleanest, safest, and most modern countries in the world, where your skills are truly celebrated. A place with meticulously clean streets, public transport that runs with clockwork precision, and lush green spaces woven into a futuristic city. This isn't a distant dream. This is the reality of life in Singapore. For you and your loved ones, this means earning a highly competitive, tax-friendly salary, allowing you to save significantly more. It means living in a city ranked as one of the safest globally, with access to world-class hospitals for your family's peace of mind. It's about building a bright future with an education system that is the envy of the world. If this vision resonates with you, I have incredible news. The gateway to this life is wide open. Singapore is actively hiring registered nurses and healthcare assistants in 2026. The country's expanding healthcare system has created a massive nationwide demand for dedicated professionals like you. Because of this high demand, the process has been streamlined. You'll find a straightforward Singapore Nursing Board, SNB registration system, and employers are offering full employment pass visa sponsorship. The benefits are exceptional. Think generous relocation allowances, housing support, and comprehensive health insurance, all combining to offer a rewarding life where your career and well-being are top priorities. My name is Priya. As a fellow nurse, I know how overwhelming this can seem, so I've created this comprehensive guide to be your trusted resource. Together, we will walk through the complete SNB registration process. We'll explore realistic salaries and calculate your take-home pay. We'll also demystify visa details and discuss family benefits. Most importantly, I'll show you how to apply directly to hospitals, empowering you to secure these jobs without paying hefty agent fees. This guide is for you. If you're a qualified nurse or healthcare assistant from anywhere in the world, searching for that clean, safe, high-quality life abroad, stay until the end. This could be your perfect opportunity in 2026. This is more than a job, it's a passport to a new life. If you're excited, hit that like button and subscribe to GK Health Passport for more practical guides to achieve your global career ambitions. Now, let's dive in. Singapore has one of the most advanced and efficient healthcare systems in Asia. Due to an aging population and expanding medical tourism, there is strong demand for both registered nurses and healthcare assistants in 2026. Registered nurses work in hospitals, clinics, and specialist centers handling clinical care and patient management. Healthcare assistants, caregivers, support daily patient care, elderly care, and home nursing, roles that value compassion and experience. The environment is modern, clean, safe, and highly professional. Many hospitals offer excellent facilities and career growth opportunities. Salaries in Singapore are tax-friendly and competitive. Registered nurses, SGD, 3,500, 6,500 plus per month, depending on experience and specialty. Healthcare assistants, caregivers, SGD 2,200, 3,800 plus per month. Common perks include employment pass visa sponsorship, housing allowance or subsidized accommodation, medical insurance and annual leave, career progression and training opportunities, clean, safe, and efficient public transport. Singapore offers a truly modern lifestyle with excellent infrastructure, safety, and work-life balance compared to many other destinations. Now, let's talk about the most crucial step in your journey: getting registered to practice legally in Singapore. For nurses, this means getting accredited by the Singapore Nursing Board, or SNB. Think of the SNB as the official gatekeeper that ensures all nurses in Singapore meet the highest standards of care and professionalism. This registration is not just a formality, it's your license to practice and the foundation of your career here. The entire process has been streamlined and moved online, making it accessible and transparent, no matter where you are applying from. It's designed to be user-friendly, so don't be intimidated. Let's break it down into clear, manageable steps. First, you'll need to create an account on the official SNB portal. This will be your personal dashboard for the entire application. Here, you will submit digital copies of your essential documents. This includes your nursing degree or diploma, your academic transcripts, and evidence of your current and past nursing registrations. Make sure you have clear, high-quality scans of everything. The system will guide you through each upload, and you can track the verification status directly on the portal. The second step is the SNB licensure examination. This is a competency test to ensure your skills align with Singapore's healthcare standards. Now, depending on your qualifications and years of experience, you might not have to take the full exam. Many highly experienced nurses, especially those from recognized institutions, may be granted an exemption. Others might be required to complete a shorter bridging program instead. These programs are fantastic, as they help you adapt to the local healthcare environment and clinical practices before you even start your job. Once you have your SNB registration in hand, you've cleared the biggest hurdle. The third step is to secure a job offer. With your SNB approval, you become a highly attractive candidate for hospitals and clinics across Singapore. You can apply directly through their career portals or work with reputable recruitment agencies that specialize in healthcare placements. With a job offer confirmed, your employer will then sponsor your Employment Pass, or EP. This is the standard work visa for qualified professionals. Because nurses are in such high demand, the EP application process is typically very smooth and has a high approval rate. Your employer's HR department will handle most of the paperwork with the Ministry of Manpower, making it a straightforward process for you. For caregivers, the pathway is quite similar. Depending on your specific qualifications, salary, and the nature of your role, you may qualify for either the Employment Pass or the S-Pass, which is for mid-level skilled staff. Your employer will guide you on the appropriate visa. The key takeaway here is that Singapore has created a very clear and efficient system for bringing in global healthcare talent. Compared to the lengthy and often uncertain visa processes in many other Western countries, Singapore's approach is refreshingly transparent and relatively fast. Family benefits are good once you have the Employment Pass. Spouses can apply for dependent passes, and in many cases, they are allowed to work. Children can enroll in international or local schools. How to apply without agents? Recommended. 1. Get your SNB registration or assessment started. 2. Search for jobs directly on hospital career pages or the official My Careers Future portal. 3. Secure a job offer. 4. Let the employer sponsor your Employment Pass. Always apply directly. Legitimate Singapore employers do not charge upfront fees. So, let's bring it all together. We've walked through the entire process, from understanding the demand to navigating the Singapore Nursing Board and visa applications. What does it all mean for you? It means that Singapore offers a truly unparalleled package, a modern, clean, safe, and remarkably tax-friendly environment, combined with strong, stable career opportunities for dedicated nurses and caregivers aiming for a 2026 start. This isn't just about a job, it's about a significant life upgrade. The modernity you see in the skyline is reflected in the hospitals, state-of-the-art equipment, and a commitment to world-class patient care. The safety and cleanliness mean you can walk home from a late shift without worry, and your family can thrive in a secure, welcoming community. And that tax-friendly status, it means more of your hard-earned salary stays in your pocket, empowering you to save, invest, or simply enjoy the incredible quality of life here. To make this journey as simple as possible, I've done the heavy lifting for you. Check the pinned comment right now for direct links to the Singapore Nursing Board, official government resources similar to Migration's Verkit for clear, factual guidance, the best job portals, and a curated list of current openings. These aren't affiliate links. They are the official sources you need to bypass agents and take control of your own application. This direct approach saves you money and ensures you're getting accurate, up-to-date information straight from the source. It's your career, and you should be in the driver's seat. If this video helped you see Singapore as a real, achievable option for your future, please take a moment to support the channel. Like this video, as it tells YouTube that this guide is valuable. Comment with your home country and whether you're a nurse or a caregiver. This helps me tailor future content for our community. Share it with your friends and colleagues who might also be dreaming of a better career path. And most importantly, subscribe to GK Health Passport for more honest, no-agent guides every single week. Your journey is just beginning, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Your modern and prosperous life in Singapore can start in 2026. The opportunity is real, the path is clear, and the future is bright. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.